Good morning, folks. We are going to have a look at a fall. It's called the Millstream Fall. It's not far from Ravenshoe, close to the Atherton Tablelands. And it's not great weather, is it, Keith? Wow, I can see the waterfall from here, and I can tell you it is absolutely stunning. Really glad that we stopped by, eh, Keith? Yeah. It's beautiful. Woo! I can't wait to show you guys. I love waterfalls. I love it. Now that's what I call a bloody beautiful waterfall, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. What do you think, Keith?
Even in the rain.
Even in the rain. Is that ducks? Well, folks, it's a bit wet today. I think we are also at the top of a mountain and we are right in a cloud, so it is a little bit wet. We're going to Tully's Fall and to, let me see the name again, it's a complicated name as usual. Oh, like, okay, listen to this. Kumbulumba Camp. It's a lake, so, or a dam. So hopefully we'll be a bit lower in altitude and out of the cloud. Look at this. Wow. How cool is that? I love the forest. Bonjour! Here we are at the lake Kumbuluma, whatever, what it is. Something like that. What a spot though. It's a sort of, I think it's a reservoir, probably reservoir for Tully or Atherton, I'm not too sure. It's a huge big reservoir, it's at 750 meters in altitude and it's not the warmest, and frankly the weather is not the best. But what a spot. It's absolutely, I can see it would be fantastic to be here in a sunny day. It would be absolutely awesome. Few people was canoeing and fishing on the dam. And yeah, we unfortunately got a bit soaked yesterday. So we made a fire and we just watched the worlds go by during the afternoon, waiting for the rain to pass. So anyway, the weather doesn't look promising today either. So I think we're just going to move on, pack up and get out of here. The drive is quite nice actually, very narrow road, very narrow windy roads. I did enjoy, I don't know if Keith did, but I did. It was a bit hard, I think, hard driving. But that's it. So we're going to keep moving up to the Atherton Tables and we'll see when we get there. Good morning, everyone. Well, we're back doing another walk this morning. This time it's Corrie Creek. We are at Lake
Tinaroo.
Lake Tinaroo. We came to the Corrie campsite. It's all right. Not very secluded, but the views are absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So anyway, we're off for our little walk, and later on today some friends of ours are meeting us. Yes, we do have friends, we do. And we are meeting them at Lake Tinaroo at our campsite. So we'll spend the night together.
I saw a spider, did you?
No.
Is it on you?
I don't know.
Don't move.
Keith and the jungle.
It was a big spider.
That was a good laugh. That was a good laugh. We might see a platypus. We might see a platypus if we are very quiet. But I think with the racket we did coming in, I think they've all fucked off. Go on, Keith. You can do it.
So, sit your bum in first. I'm gonna bum in. Yeah, one leg in. Sides and just use your legs to steer.
We are at Lake Tinaroo. We've scored ourselves a lakeside campsite, which is absolutely stunning. We spent a couple of nights here. It's been great. No neighbors, because the campsites are fairly small and very close to each other. So we were quite happy not to have any neighbor for the time we were here. Otherwise, it might not be such a good experience, I would say. But we had a great time. We re-energized, I would say, because we was a bit tired after all the travel we've done. We've done so far about 3,000 kilometers. So after a while, it's taking a toll on you. But we are now fully energized, and today we're going to go a little bit further up. Right in line with Cairns. It's a bush campsite really close to a creek. It's a Davis campsite, Keith? Upper David campsite or something like that. So we'll go there and we will check it out. The time here has been great. Lots of visit of little duckies. Really cute little duckies. Really not scared at all of people. And and the great thing is we had full 4G reception, so we treated ourselves to a movie last night, which was awesome. So anyway, so we'll catch up with you later. Have a great day.